I question C 294 Honorable Uncle Megana ngasai hangkibaduga sugini apet money I point hanjandana bahona jage sir. Honorable Leader of the House na ngasai thambigiba Aadhaar link tawbagi sir. Kitang CAG report chiga sir kitang contradict line aba sir kitang Sigi page 24 CAG report chida the payment of 27 crore for the cadre was irregular payment in terms of guidelines have sir guidelines ta akhoi irregular payment ta yana sir haiba the department stated February 2023 that necessary linking of unique biometric identification number was discussed in the meeting of the Joint Monitoring Committee of the Department in 2023 da reply am have Honorable CM na 22 dagi haugre na sir thambiba sir masi haubikra gadi amna phare adu as per 2018 SRC guideline hai sir masida the reply is not acceptable hai na CAG report na su sir masida thambiri adu who will held responsible CJ Honorable CM gi home gi portfolio pai bi Honorable CM gi kaino dadi yobira amoiba si department gi kanguna makoi mathau tawdabagi male ba sir aduna kana na responsible oigadaba no haibadum tang Honorable CM na thambiba ani suba supplementary da sir tabulation na piri sir October 2017 da 1100 militant 3000 per person haigadra 3 rate and research da amount se so maina 18 da su 18 September April then September to 1122 October 17 to March 18 jina 100 eva sarmu 159 April 18 to September 18 159 October 18 to September 2019 jina 2167 ado October 17 dagina September 18 boxida 17 dana 3000 rate se leire sidana muk 6000 amuk lei March dana muk 3000 am lei sir aduna aina laksaningi sina air wise sahi gi kedar kayam leirambano kedar singsida makoi gi kaya pb ki ge makoi gi incentive hai gadra moi kedar amamam gi stipend hai gadra kaya pb ki bage madu matang sign tongnaba haurakpadagi hojik phoki details semtang pbu haidana I Honorable Leader of the House at Thamjari. Thank you.
Speaker sir, hujiki doina bank singda masa gi account hangaga pinana bagi koi initiative tawe kakshan na ba adu bunga saina hajagi ba moina block unbanked haibagi da tawraka moina 22 gi mamang phawda torme adu 22 dagi di koi huji honorable member na hangi brusumi 22 dagi koi payment pidri adu in person ma gi account da thana na bagi adu gi da koi send torga lei adu dagi adu mungnarak pane huji tawnari se adagi amana ngasai gi variation khara lei bise hana keno UPF haira mo UPF dagi moi loop ani to khre adagi keno dagi loop mari to khre ga na fraction tara group semak pusi hoba adu madu gi da variation lei bani adu madu gi do kramai to details to honorable member na ai session manung sidang amdraga so detail do pura gi honjage yani
sir loisu loidore sir ai tomdasu amaka question amaka ngaira male sir honorable CM na kanna su thijan biri sir masi kanna ai thijal haningi sir karigino haibdi sir sida irregularities khara laiba khotpa mayam singsi sir na su yengchan biramgani sir aduga masigi ngasai gi masing se sir answer pibi rapasida aingon the ledger si total si akoi hujik leji 2181 labor sir do CAG report the 2019 September 19 is 2167 na masing je kitang CAG gi na la libra kanana la limno sir kitang lei si matang clarify honorable leader of the house BB na sir aduga 2016 da akoi joint monitoring group si December kaino da 16 da sir kaino tawhina sir sigi makha da joint monitoring group ki meeting kaya phangrage haibadum tang sir honorable leader of the house na thambiragadi masida phamamagadi 16 gi matung da phammaga sigi biometric tawbagi Aadhaar link tawbagi se hujibok torom jese karigino haibje sir ila ina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯪꯕꯗ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯌꯥꯔꯛ ꯐꯝꯕꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯇꯦꯜꯁ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯞꯍꯦꯟ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯅ ꯀꯌꯥꯔꯛ ꯐꯝꯕꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
ꯌꯥꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟ ꯂꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯖꯣꯏꯟ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯄꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯖꯣꯏꯟ ꯏꯟꯁꯄꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯖꯣꯏꯟ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ 16ꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯖꯣꯏꯟ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯔꯛ ꯐꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯧꯍꯟꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ